mess I didn't notice. Whenever bad shit happens, doesn't bother me at all. No, I'ma do it how I want, so don't feel no fear. Living young.
Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I'm going to try out the Sunrise Impressionism eyeshadow palette from Focallure. Initially, I just wanted to buy this, but I end up buying more products. You'll see in the video what products I'm talking about. This is the makeup look I created with this eyeshadow palette. It was my first time trying this one. I think this is the Crystal Sister palette. I don't know, don't quote me on that. I don't know, but let me see. No, this is a little bit smaller, but they do look the same. They are both called Impressionism. They both have 16 pan eyeshadow palette, but this one is a little bit bigger. Huh? No, they are the same. They are the same. Anyway, so this is how it looks. Absolutely gorgeous. I wanted to apply all the colors on my lids. Oh, and this one comes with this eyeshadow base, eyeshadow primer, and I wanted to try it with the formula to see how they work together, but I don't know, it's way too slippery and the eyeshadows doesn't grab, like they don't stay on top of the primer. They kind of slip and slide everywhere. Everything was a mess, so I end up wiping that and start all over again. Luckily I didn't get too far doing this makeup look, so yeah, I don't like this one. I will probably give it another chance, but today I didn't like it. So yeah, I did purchase more items. As I said, they kind of messed up with my order. I bought this highlighter, Diamond Glow. It's absolutely gorgeous, but is all broken. Like, I have little dusty, crusty pieces of highlight in there. I'm going to try to fix it, but I only have alcohol to try to fix that. I really hope it works. I purchased that volumizing lip gloss with plumping effect, and they sent me 2 primers. So I guess now I have a backup, but I wanted that lip gloss. Anyway, if you guys want to see how I created this beautiful makeup look, then keep on watching.
I've been hungover since the weekend. Last night my fake ID got stolen. I dropped my phone, cracked the screen. Roommate just smoked all my weed. My life's a mess, I didn't notice. Whenever bad shit happens, doesn't bother me at all. No, I'ma do it how I want, so don't feel no fear. Living young and reckless, I don't really give a fuck. No, I just turn the music up so I can't hear. Dancing like I'm alive, dancing just to survive. Dancing like I'm alive, moving like I'm alive, moving just to survive. Moving like I'm alive. Hey, 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 hey. My credit card is at its limit. I missed my Uber by a minute. No one's home, lost my keys. Tinder's got no match for me. My life's a mess, I just go with it. Whenever bad shit happens, doesn't bother me at all. No, I'ma do it how I want, so don't feel no fear. Feeling wild and selfish, I don't really give a fuck. No, I just turn the music up so I can't hear. Dancing like I'm alive, dancing just to survive. Dancing like I'm alive, moving like I'm alive, moving just to survive. Moving like I'm alive. Hey, 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 hey.
Okay, so now that I'm done with the eyes, I'm going to do very fast my face makeup. So I'm going to start with this Blur Max Smooth and Oil Control. I did try this a few days ago, and actually I think I like it. It feels very moisturizing. It has that silicone feel, but I don't know, it feels very moisturizing and is clear, as you can see. A little bit goes a long way. I don't know why I squeezed that much. Anyway, I don't really see the blurring effect. I mean, I don't know, but it feels very nice on the skin. As I said, it feels creamy, like a moisturizer, but it's not really a moisturizer. It still has that silicone feel, but it's not that bad. This clear primer contains blurring powders, minimizing the appearance of pores and fine lines instantly. The oil control formula also provides a matte finish, helping makeup look better and last longer. So I'm going to go with the Wet n Wild foundation very fast. I'm going to apply this on my face. I also got a complexion sponge from them. I'm super impressed of how soft this feels and super squishy. The box looks like this. It says latex free, expands in water. Yeah, let's see how this works. Okay, I feel like this soaked all the foundation I had on my face. This sponge is thirsty. Not bad actually, but this soaked all the foundation, like it's in there. I don't know if you can see that. I barely have foundation on my face. And this foundation covers almost everything. Let's apply just a little bit more. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is one of those sponges that soaks everything. Okay, I just applied a little bit of cream contour. I used this one from Sheglam. Next I'm going to go with concealer because I did purchase a concealer from Focallure. This is the liquid long lasting concealer in the shade 03 Light. I haven't tried this yet. I have to shake it because it has little bubbles. I hope this is my color. Maybe a little bit too bright, and it has that peachy undertone. I don't think this is my shade, but let's see. So I'm going to use the sponge. Okay, I feel like again the sponge soaks all the product. I like a little bit more of coverage because I can still see my imperfections, but it's not bad. Let me try another sponge. I'm going to go with my... That was my chair, I'm sorry. That's my chair. I don't know what's going on. Lately it makes a lot of noises. You guys see the difference? Like, this is crazy. On this side I have more coverage. So yeah, it's definitely the thirsty sponge and I don't like that, so I'm not gonna use the sponge anymore because we don't like thirsty sponges on my channel. It's not okay to be this thirsty in 2020, okay? Don't be greedy. So I went with a little bit more concealer. Okay, that's not bad. Oh my god, this concealer. Okay, next I'm going to set the concealer with the Flawless Setting Powder. The packaging on this powder is so freaking adorable. Like, look how gorgeous this is. So I got the shade Transparent Chiffon. Let me show you how cute this is. It came with the puff, but I don't really use the puffs. This one feels so soft, so nice. Feels a little bit nicer than the Sheglam puffs. It's sealed because I haven't tried this one yet. Okay, so it has that net thing. I'm going to use my trusty brush and it looks like this. Wow, this is white. I really hope it's translucent. Let me smooth. Even though it didn't crease that much, I think I like this concealer, but I wish it had a little bit more coverage. Okay, it feels very soft. I kind of see a little bit of blurring effect. I mean, magic micronized filtered particles that diffuse light to give you healthy, but I kind of see a little bit of blurring effect, or maybe it's just the primer. I don't know, but I do like what I see. You guys, I'm so stupid. This eyeshadow palette came with a set of makeup brushes and I have them right here in front of me. That's why I put them there, to see them and to use them. And I totally forgot. So as I said, it came with a set of makeup brushes, and I think I'm going to use this one to apply the blush. They feel super soft, incredibly soft, and actually feel very nice. I think I'm going to use this one to apply the highlight. Doesn't smell bad. And this one to apply the blush, right? Yeah, I mean, it's a little bit too dense for the blush, but I think it will work. And then we have 3-4 eye brushes. They feel super nice, and I cannot wait to use them. But I'm going to use this too on my face. So next I'm going to go with this blush. I did purchase a different shade. I do own this blush, but in a different color, obviously. So I went with the shade Soft Apricot. Oh wow. So it looks like this. So cute. This side is shimmery, this side is matte. I'm going to use the matte side because the shimmery ones are intense. So I'm going to take this brush. Let me fluff this up a little bit. Okay, not bad, but I feel like it's a little bit too dense for the blush. So I'm going to go with this one. Oh, wow, that was crazy. Okay. Yeah, this brush is not for blush. Look at that. Just one dip. These are crazy pigmented, so be careful if you have them or if you want to purchase them. Be careful because they are so pigmented. And actually this color is so beautiful. I'm going to go with a little bit more. Okay. Okay, next I do have a highlight, but I'm so sad because this one came broken. So sad. This is so annoying. So I do own this highlight. This is the one that they sent me. I have the shade Starlight, and I went and I purchased the shade 03 Fantasyland. But you guys, I don't know if I should store it in, I don't know, a little container or something and use it loose, or try to fix it, but I only have alcohol, so I don't know how that will go. You guys, look at that. Oh no. So now I'm going to use it as it is, okay, but I'm going to try to fix it. Anyway, so I'm going to use this brush with whatever I have right here. The Starlight shade is a little bit more boom in your face. I feel like this one is a little bit more toned down, but again, I cannot pick it with the brush because I have huge chunks. I also bought this glittery shade. This is a pressed glitter, but I'm not gonna use it today. Look how beautiful that is. This is in the shade Unicorn. That's absolutely fantastic. Let me swatch it. Oh, wow, oh. It's a little bit chunky, but as I said, it's just pressed glitter, but it looks so dang good.
My fake ID got stolen. I dropped my phone, cracked the screen. Roommate just smoked all my weed. My life's a mess, I didn't notice. Whenever bad shit happens, doesn't bother me at all, no. I'ma do it how I want, so don't feel no fear. Living young and reckless, I don't really give a fuck, no. I just turn the music up so
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. As I said in the video, don't ask me why I went with these little crystals. They are not even crystals. I feel like they are tinted stones. I don't know exactly what they are, but I feel like it gives the look that that it didn't need, because the eyeshadows are so pretty, so I shouldn't apply these little stones on my eyes. But I don't know, the final look is so I don't know. I do like it. The eyeshadows are so pretty, so blendable, so pigmented. Oh my god, so pigmented. And again, we have that beautiful formula right here. I don't know how they do it. Like, how they do it. These are shimmers, and they are so creamy, so buttery, and so incredibly shiny. And I just noticed that on this eye, they did gather a little bit right here. Let me zoom you in so you can see better. Yeah, you can totally see that I don't know, I used again the Louise base, so next time I'm going to try to use the Anastasia one, because the primer from this palette or eyeshadow base, whatever this is, I don't like it. As I said in the video, it's way too slippery. The mattes are beautiful, so pigmented. I didn't expected this purple to be this vibrant. Like in the palette it looks a little bit more toned down. It looks kind of boring to me, but I do like the color and I do like the finished result, and I hope you guys like it too. Let me know down below, what do you guys think? Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I don't know how to do my outros anymore. I'm sorry. Okay, bye guys.